All right, everybody, thanks for tuning in. What we have on the dyno here today, this is our 620 horse small block Chevy 427 crate engine. This is pretty popular for the pro street guys that still want to have a hydraulic roller cam. What's in this build is a Dart SHP block, forged 4340 crank, HPM rods, pistons, blueprint compression ratio out to 10.3 to 1. Airflow research, cylinder heads, reworked by us a little bit. CNC-Motorsports custom powder coated valve covers, Edelbrock intake manifold, Holley Ultra XP carburetor, our custom hydraulic roller camshaft that we've done extensive R&D work on to come up with the right profile to make this type of power. It's a pretty popular combination. We sell quite a few of these. We'll make a make a dyno pull, show you the numbers. We get a lot of interest on this one, and then our 580 horse is very popular as well. All these motors are underrated just to give us a little bit of cushion, so they actually make more power than what we rate them for, but we just give them a little bit of a cushion. So nice piece. Somebody looking for a pro street motor. So we'll make a dyno pull and show you the numbers and show you what it makes for power.